Hi friends, today I am going to tell you about forests. The word forest is derived from a Latin word. Forest means outside. Forests are one of the most important natural resources of the earth. Approximately one-third of Earth's total area is covered by forests. So types of forests. There are mainly five types are there. First one, tropical evergreen forests. Second one, tropical deciduous forests. Third one, tropical thorn forests. Fourth one, tidal forests. And fifth one, mountain forests. Now we have to know about the tropical evergreen forests. Tropical evergreen forests are found in hot and wet regions. They are found in western slopes of the Western Ghats, hills of the northeast and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Trees are generally tall with a broad canopy or at the top. The main evergreen trees are rosewood, mahogany and ebony. The wood of the evergreen forest is very hard. Next, type 2 forests. Tropical deciduous forests. Tropical deciduous forests are also called monsoon forests. On the basis of the rainfall received, these forests are divided into moist and dry deciduous forests. The moist deciduous forest spread along the foothills of the Himalaya mountains, eastern slopes of the Western Ghats and Odisha. Next, coming to tropical thorn forests. Tropical thorn forests are found in dry areas with scanty rainfall. These are found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The trees and shrubs have long roots, short thorns and small leaves. These type of trees can survive without water for long periods. The plants remain leafless for most part of the year. For example, babul, ber, kikar and neem are the main trees of these forests. Next, fourth type forests are tidal forests. Tidal forests are also known as mangrove forests. They are found in deltas of rivers or the areas of flooded by seawater. You can see in this picture, these forests grow in both fresh and salt water. They are found in lagoons in Kerala and in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. As named, Sundari grows in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. Do you know the wood of Sundarban trees to make boats? This trees has given the name Sundarbans to this area. Next, type 5 forests, mountain forests. Mountain forests are also called coniferous forests. These are found in the mountain regions. They are found on the slopes of the Himalayas and the Nilgiris. The trees found in these forests are tall, evergreen, and have needle-shaped leaves so that snow does not collect on them. The main trees in these forests are cher, deodar, fir, pine, and chinar. And in the Nilgiris, these forests are also known as sholas. Next, we have to know about the wildlife and preservation of animal species. Best national parks in India. In our India, the government has set up 92 national parks. And know about wildlife sanctuaries in India. And 492 wildlife sanctuaries are there in our India. Biosphere reserves in India. Four biosphere reserves are there. Some of them are Corbett National Park, Kanha National Park, Gir Wildlife Sanctuary, Nanda Devi, and Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and click on bell button. Thank you.